Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Moz and automate backlink insights with AI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Moz and hit enter.
Click on the official Moz website link.
Once on the site, navigate to the products section.
Locate Moz Pro and click on it. Find the option to start a free trial and select it. Fill out the required information to create an account. Once registered, confirm your email address if prompted. Log into your Moz account.
From your dashboard, find the Link Explorer tool.
Enter the URL of the site you want to analyze. Review the backlink profile and note key metrics. Now, for automation, you'll need a Python environment. Download and install Python from the official Python website. Make sure to include pip during the installation process. Once installed, open your command prompt or terminal.
Use pip to install necessary libraries by typing pip install requests beautiful soup for.
Next, create a new Python script file.
In the script, import the libraries you just installed.
Write a function to fetch backlink data from Moz API. Add your Moz API key to the function for authentication. Set parameters like the URL and desired data points. Use the requests library to make the API call. Parse the JSON response to extract relevant information. Save the extracted data into a CSV file for further analysis. You can automate this process by setting up a scheduled task. Choose how often you want the script to run. Adjust the timing settings according to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.